Hello again, everybody. Jason, aka Jester. Today I'm bringing you something that I've been dreaming of for a little while. Done it once before, didn't get to name it what I wanted to. Today is the damn day we're going to make that happen. What I've got here, pork belly. Real nice pork belly, Berkshire pork, fresh. This was just slaughtered, I think, Wednesday, and we cut it Thursday. It's been in my fridge, ready to go. We're going to take some barbecue seasoning. Go right over the top. This is only stage one of what we're doing today. We have a special shout out, and that's to me, because I'm sick and tired of doing the stuff that I think you guys want to see. And I think it's cool that I get to show some of that to you. But I think the reason you watch these videos is because of the title Twisted Jester. And I haven't done anything twisted. So let's do some twisted shit today. Right now, put some more barbecue seasoning on the back. Now you see I scored that so that we can get a little bit of extra smoke down on the back side. We're going to cook this fat side up. And there we have that. A little hard to see this morning. It's a little cloudy outside. I love a good gray day occasionally. Great mood today. I can't wait to get this one done. You're going to see something that I don't think anybody's ever seen before. So, that said, this is going to cook at about 250. I'm not sure exactly how long. I'm guessing about 3 hours. I'm going to bring this to about 190. At least that's the hope, to about 190. And then we're going to make a couple more steps. We're going to rapid cool it. And we're going to do something really, really cool to it. So stay tuned. I will kind of show you here in the middle when we're about halfway through what it looks like. I will be back in a little bit. Alrighty guys, it's only been about an hour. And this thing is registering already at 122. So this is not going to take very long. I'd say maybe another hour, hour and a half. It's going to be fantastic, and we're getting some good color. I can see some of that fat rendering, exactly what we're looking for today. So we're going to let that continue to go. I'm going to get this shut down. We'll be back in a little bit. We're going to show you the next step. Alrighty, boys and girls, we got that out of the smoker. I mean, just look at how that looks. My God, that looks amazing. That's the top side, or sorry, the bottom side. That's the top side. Here's what we're going to do now. We're actually going to cut right about here. Let me show you on the inside. We got a little bit of smoke in there, and that's fine. Looks really nice. But here's what we're doing next. And this is the tricky part, because if you get too big, it's going to be stringy. We're going to cut little strips. Nice little slivers. Nothing too big. Look at that juice rolling off of that damn thing. Oh my God, that looks great. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and complete this, and then I'm going to be back here in a minute with the next step. Man, I can't wait for you guys to see this. Here we go. Okay, guys, here we go. This is the next step, and I've got a little distance here, but I'm going to show you. It's just a little flour, all right? A little buttermilk. And this here is basically a Cajun fish fry. We're going to go ahead and start dipping a few of these slices right in the flour. Goes into the buttermilk. Good. Goes into the fish fry. We're going to coat those real good with that. And this is actually the Cajun version of this. It's really similar like a Zatarain, but I couldn't quite find the Zatarain, so we didn't get that today. All right, from here, we're going straight in. You take the lid off the fryer. I've got this fryer already set up. Let's pop that in. And drop it. These shouldn't take very long. They're already cooked. We're just looking for a crispy outside. And then you're going to get to see what I get to see, which is the finished product. And then you'll know the name. If you watched the post last night, you already know the name. And I think it's a great, perfect name for this just because of the content. So stick with me here for a little bit. We're going to let that fry. And I'm going to be right back with the finished freaking product because it's going to be amazing. Okay, guys. Straight from the mind of a twisted son of a gun. This is what I call the Blubbernugget. It's basically a smoked, fried pork belly, lettuce and tomato sandwich. What I've done there is I put it's a garlic herb mayo. You want the recipe, it's garlic, it's herbs, it's mayo. Pretty damn simple. Let's go ahead and cut into that. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, come on. Who else is thinking this way? You know, I got good news and I got bad news today. The good news is I think something really good is going to happen in my life, and I'm going to put a lot of effort into that, which kind of leads to the bad news, and that is I'm going to take a step back from the videos. I'm not going to stop. Next week's the competition. I'm going to bring you at 11, 1, 3, and 5 on Facebook Live. We're going to do all the turn-in boxes completely live, so you guys will get to see those right as they go in and how we're doing it. I'm also going to make a couple of videos over the first 2 categories of how we did them, because they are very, very odd. Trust me, I'm not going to give anything away yet, but we will the day of. But I'm going to get off this 2-a-week schedule. It's just a little bit too much work. So we're going to definitely keep going. And, you know, I'm going to cook a lot. So when I do cook, we're going to film. And when I don't cook, there may not be anything. So hopefully you guys understand that. It's been a great ride so far. I don't want to quit, but I do want to have a little more time to focus on something else that I think is going to be a really, really big and special part of my life. So with that, I just want to say thank you guys so much. I hope this is the crazy shit you want to see. I've got more of this kind of stuff, and that's the stuff I'm going to bring you from now on. You know, the basic stuff, it's fine. I don't hate doing it, but everybody does that shit. There's no reason to bring that to you. We're going to bring you this kind of stuff. We are Twisted Jester for a reason, and I'd forgotten about that. This is what we were meant to do. This is what we're going to do. This is the crazy shit that comes out of my brain. So that's the way we're going to go. So no worries. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Can't wait to show you the competition next week. I hope we do well. Really high hopes. No real expectations. We didn't put it together really fast. Or we did put it together really fast. And it's just going to be fantastic. I can't wait. Next week's going to be awesome. Stay tuned on Facebook. And we will see you guys then. Thank you. Have a great Saturday.